Upon popular demand, I have finally got actual BHD Army apparel out for you guys. Order the merch, take a picture in it, tag me on Instagram. First place will win a PS4 with a game of their choice. Second and third place will get a video game of their choice. What it is, guys, it's Blastphamoushd, and today we are here to see something a little bit different. Earlier today, I saw a back cracking video, and it felt so good to hear that crack that I was just like, bruh, like I need to experience that. If you guys want to watch the original video, the link's in the description down below. Is by Chiropractic Cracks. It's called the Best Loud Chiropractic Cracks Adjustment Compilation. Lego.
Good.
What?
Deep breath in and out. Perfect.
And she bad.
Was there any popping?
I know.
Ooh.
There was. Lay it flat on your back.
Bro, you do that for a female man, she 100% giving up the panty draws. Probably 40%. The more words you add into the back cracking, the higher percentage. You know what I mean? Like, yeah.
Okay.
And that released quite a bit in
I
here.
felt that release in my ankle. That felt really good.
Good. Hands up and over line. Lean back. Elbows together. Screw, screw, screw.
Oh, that felt so good.
Good. Good. Perfect.
Oh, wow. That one got me good.
Good.
Okay, let your shoulder relax. Good. We're just going to bring this down. Gentle. Good. There you go.
Ooh. Oh, it's so crazy. I feel a certain release when I hear these cracks, but every time I see a back crack, I feel a release. Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh!
To be setting your
That was a big one. That was little. Did you not get it? We have to do it again.
See, as soon as I get to here,
Ow!
Ooh.
gotcha. Oh.
It kind of seemed like he almost just broke her arm, and it was trying to make it look like that wasn't what happened. Yeah, I mean, because you look at her face, and he's all, yeah, he's trying to play it off like that's not what happened.
Owie!
Got it. That's it.
Relax and shoulder. There's a good one. Let this hip drop. That other side. When he comes in, his adjustment holds like this hip. There you go. On your back, please.
And just let me have it there, Tyler. There you go. You should have felt that. Turn your knee all the way up to that lower back. Okay. Keep breathing and relaxing. There you go.
Ooh.
Let me worry about the shoulder. There it is.
Oh.
With your left ear. There you go. Home run. Now, relax your head in my hands here now. Okay, let me do the work. You just think about something else. With your left toe. There you go. Now, with your right big toe. There you go. Yes, sir.
There we go.
Oh!
There we go. I know you felt how that just.
Oh, that felt so good. Yo, it's legit hailing outside. Y'all can't see it from here, man, but if I was brave enough to go outside, man, I'd let y'all see it close up. Hey, maybe next time.